Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Tech Troubles Solved. So today I am going to be showing you guys how to make Windows XP usable in 2021. So in case you didn't know, Windows XP came out in 2001 and support was ended for it in 2014. So that means this operating system is really old. Now you'd think it would be useless today, but with a few upgrades you can actually bring Windows XP a little more up to date, and you may even be able to use it as your daily driver. If you're intending to use Windows XP as your daily driver, which I do not recommend, you're going to need to keep in mind that Microsoft no longer supports Windows XP. So that isn't necessarily a bad thing, but does mean Microsoft will no longer provide security updates and technical support for Windows XP. The thing is though, Microsoft, when they announced this, they made a bigger deal about it than necessary. They acted like your computer was going to get like a ton of viruses and it was going to blow up if you continued to use Windows XP unsupported, which is not the case. In fact, some people still use it, and my screensaver just turned on, but if you just be mindful of the sites that you visit, you should be okay. Now, if you haven't seen my previous video on how to make a Windows XP VM, I recommend you go watch that first. In fact, I'll have a link to the video. Alright, so first things first, we are going to need to change this ridiculous screen size. So in order to do that, we're going to go up here to the top left, we're going to click on devices, and we're going to click this insert guest edition CD image. So this is basically a bunch of drivers from Oracle, the company that made VirtualBox, and this is going to help, I guess, make the resolution better, among other things. So we're going to click next. It's really easy. Now it's going to give you a few errors, such as this one. Just click continue, it's going to give you a few. Just keep clicking through all of them. And now we have to reboot the operating system. Okay, so once you reboot Windows XP, you might notice that the screen size is a little bit smaller, but fear not. What you're going to do is you're going to go up to View, Full Screen Mode. You're going to click Switch, and now Windows XP is in full screen mode, so it's going to fit the entire size of your monitor now, and funny thing is my computer fan is starting to speed up, but so what you're going to do now is you're going to have to install something called Service Pack 3. So Service Packs are something Microsoft used to. They're basically a bunch of updates and bug fixes and among other things all rolled into one simple update. So in order to do that, we're going to have to first off exit out of the VM. We're going to turn off the computer. And what we're going to do is we're going to go to a website called the Microsoft Update Catalog. It's right here. So the Microsoft Update Catalog is an old website where Microsoft used to provide updates for Windows. So what you're going to do is you are going to type in Windows XP Service Pack 3. And you're going to see all these different options. Now, you gotta pick the right one, so you should pick this one right here, Windows XP Service Pack 3. Be careful you don't click it. Be careful you don't select a security update. If you select a security update, it's not gonna work. You have to install the service pack first. So we're gonna go over here. You're gonna click the downloads. It's gonna download. Okay, so once it is finished downloading, you're gonna need to get out a flash drive, preferably 1 gig or more. And so what this is going to do is it's going to transfer the service pack installer from your regular computer to the virtual machine. So what you're going to do is you're going to plug it in, and you should see it somewhere around here. Oh, here it is. So what you're going to do is you're going to first off format it. Now if you have, I'm gonna label it SP3, that stands for Service Pack 3, and if you have any data on the flash drive that you want to save, then you should probably back it up to either your computer's drive or another flash drive. So if you don't, then you can just format. So you should probably click quick format, and we're going to click start. It's going to give you a warning. Click OK. And you just gotta give it just a little bit, and then it'll format the drive. Once you are finished formatting what you're going to do is you're going to select your Windows XP Service Pack 3 installer. We're going to right click on it, click copy. We're going to go to the drive, and we're going to click in this empty space, paste. You're going to click yes, and it's going to copy the service pack to the flash drive. So once it is done, the little transfer window should disappear, and you see it says Service Pack 3 or SP3, the name of the flash drive. The service pack is right here. So that's good. So what we're gonna do is now we can just close this. We can also close this right here. And we're gonna go back into VirtualBox. We're gonna start the VM. And we are back at the Windows XP desktop. So what we're gonna do real quickly is get rid of that. And we're gonna go down and see this little white tab. If you just drag your mouse down, it should pop up. We're gonna click on Devices, USB, and we're gonna click on the flash drive that you put the service pack on. It's not gonna give you the name, it's probably gonna give you the brand. So PNY, that's the brand. And it should eject from your main computer, and you're gonna hear it connect to Windows XP. Okay, now what you're gonna do is you're gonna click on the name of the flash drive. And here it is. So we just click on that, and it's going to now extract the files from the flash drive. And then once that's done, it should open up the installer. Okay, so once it's done extracting, it should pull you up to this right here, the installation wizard. So just click next. I agree. Next. And now it's going to be installing the service pack, so you just have to wait back and be patient for a few minutes. Okay, so once it's done installing, it should give you this right here. You just click finish, and it's going to restart the VM now. So once you boot it back up, it should give you this. Microsoft isn't giving any more updates, so you can just click not right now. And now it's gonna boot up with Service Pack 3 installed. And now we have officially installed Service Pack 3 on Windows XP. So now Windows XP is a little more up to date. I will do a part 2 next week, so we still got some stuff to do. But until then, thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe so I can continue making these videos. And I'll see you guys next week. Bye!